The Dugard 300P high torque slant bed CNC lathe with a maximum swing of 600mm, a maximum turn diameter of 450mm and a maximum turn length of 700mm. X-axis travel is 240mm, Z-axis travel is 762mm and the distance between centres is 810mm. Bar capacity is 77mm with a 252mm chuck. It has a powerful high torque 15 to 18.5 kilowatt Alpha 30i spindle drive, 20 kilowatt AC Fanuc drive, 30 to 2500 RPM speed range and ASA A2-8 spindle nose. Rapids are 20 meters a minute on the x-axis and 24 meters a minute on the z-axis. The 12-station bi-directional servo turret has an index time of 0.7 seconds. Tool shank size is 25 by 25 millimeters and the maximum boring bar diameter is 40 millimeters. The tailstock has a 4MT programmable quill, 627mm tailstock body travel, 120mm programmable quill travel and 85mm quill diameter. It weighs 5,700 kilograms. Standard equipment on the Dugard 300P includes manual tool setting probe, Swarf conveyor and bin, and 252mm hydraulic power chuck. Options include Siemens 828D including shop turn or Fanuc OITF controls, a VTI turret system, automatic tool setting probe, automatic parts catcher, 315mm chuck, a choice of chucks and collets and a choice of bar feeds. The Dugard 300P guarantees faster, more accurate turning and lower production costs. For more information, please go to our website, www.dugard.com.